How to withdraw money from Vantage to Trust Wallet. First, you want to load up the Vantage website or app and sign into your account and make sure you are on the correct live account. Now, after you have done this, you will click on withdrawal from the main page and it is going to display the account type here and also your balance once you click on it. So again, make sure you select the correct one and you want to type the amount which you are trying to withdraw here. You also have the option of clicking on max and withdrawing all of your funds at once. Once you have typed the amount, you will click on continue and then it's going to ask for the preferred method. So I'm just going to go into deposit here and show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to enter an amount, continue, and from the preferred method, it should look a little something like this for the deposit section as well for withdrawal. So you will click on e-wallet and you want to find the Trust Wallet option. Depending on your region, it is going to show you different options and you can just choose Trust from this list. Then you will put your wallet address and withdraw your funds from Vantage to Trust Wallet. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.